Good morning guys, ayan, dito tayo, gising na yung mga palaka, ayan, nagtututo tayo ng bacon, at saka, tapos ito yung ating mainit na tubig para sa kape, tapos mamaya magsaing tayo, diba? Okay? So ayan lang yung breakfast natin mga friends, tapos ayan, nagluluto tayong rice. Ayan guys, so yung baon ko kahapon hindi ko nakain, kaya initin natin at saka yung ating kanin dyan ay almost done. Dito kami sa loob ng tent. Ang init! It's too hot out in here.
So, ayan.
Later, B. So, ayan na guys. Ayan yung light. Kasi light is the light. So, tayo dito with coffee. Ayan yung mga bata. Si Steve gusto pang mag-nap. Ayan, nangungulekta sila ng steaks dahil kami ay malabo. Gagawa kami ng campfire daw. They've been dying to make this fire. See? Ayan yung sticks nila. And we need a fire starter. What happened? What is it? From what?
Talk, Mom.
Huh? I'm going to make a fire. Right, go. Let's see. Who is the lighter?
Yeah, Mom. Mom, I accidentally dropped it.
It's fine. Okay. You guys still there?
Yeah.
This is how I make fire, guys. No, just
We need
This.
marshmallow.
marshmallows in the morning. Oh.
Can I stop videoing?
Juliana, not too long, you know. Ayan na guys. Ayan na guys. Gusto mag-s'mores ng mga girls in the morning. Si Steve gusto pa matulog eh. Ayan.
Is my bucket on fire?
Ano, ayaw tumigil pag hindi mag-s'mores daw eh. Ganyan marshmallow, ito toast nila. Si Luis, hindi naman tinost yun, kinain. Buing. Super lamig yung tubig guys. Ako yung gustong mag-toothbrush at maghilamos. Kaya iinitin ko muna yung tubig. Okay. feel better. Nakapag-toothbrush na tayo guys at nakapaghilamos. Ayan, ang ganda na ng feeling. O, diba? Wala nang ligo-ligo. Hila-hilamos na lang muna. Yung mga ate ko. Brush teeth. Ayan. Matulog pa din sa sleep.
Look, Mom.
Ayan. Ayan yung RV site dito guys. RV camper, whatever. Travel trailer campsite. Pero nandito kami dahil merong electric and water. Kaya mas convenient kahit nasa tent lang kami. Ayan kami. Homes.
Have you seen him?
Huh? And Eloise and I just going to go to the bathroom. Malinis yung bathroom nila guys dahil hindi masyado gamit. Dahil itong mga tao dito ay meron silang bathroom sa kanilang trailer or RV. Yan. Ang magulit pa dahil pagkadalas lang ni Agnes. Naglinis na sa shower over there. Let's see. Let's see. Why? And that really... Whoa! That's a big... You see how they know, baby? Cool. And here's Abena. Ayan yung mga tao nag-hike. Meron silang mga sticks. And back to our wheel. Ayan si Steve. Pumuntang bathroom nakabike. Bike si Pato. Ayan guys, it's noon time na, tapos na kami mag-lunch at ayan, nagpa-pack na kami, pack up. Ganon, dahil tayo magdadrive, magpapagas at saka andun sa taas guys yung hotel. Saan kaya? Basta nandyan sa dyan. Yan, tapos bumaba kami dito. Ayan, bumaba kami dito sa lake. Tapos ayan, may playground and then may swimming area, lake. Huh? Where? Okay, I'm coming. Ooh, it's kind of wet down here. And there's Steve right there. So ayan yung swimming area. Merong nagsaswimming ng mga kids. Oh, the baby wanna get in there.
Hi, Daddy, the rocks in the house.
It's a hobby, or it's
Some people
make it a living. We are awesome. That's the bridge that we cross when we walk when we hike. Oh yeah, because it ends. No, yes it is.
No, it's not.
Oh, look at the what are those? Coyote. Right there. You see it? Coyote. How do you say it, Daddy?
Coyote.
I see the coyote
Where you see it at?
right there on the train track. Just sitting there.
Ow! Ow! Woo! 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 He heard it. Woo! Woo! And he stopped and he looked out. Woo! Woo! Get the baby out.
Yeah.
He stopped, literally stopped and looked up. Ayan. They just want to stop by and try out this little playground while we were driving around. What's that logo? This is called like something pond. Whoa, pond. Fishing area. Here's my kind of camping food. Cup of noodles with some bok choy. Ayan. Okay, it's ligo time, guys. Ayan, we are walking to the bathroom and ayan yung ating bagtong. Ligo tayo. Ayan yung bathroom. Ayan guys yung bathroom. Tapos ito yung ating token na gagamitin. 1 token is 3 minutes daw. Tingnan natin. Ayan, we'll see you pagkatapos namin ligo.
So,
How's that shower
it's
feel?
okay.
It feels so nice. Ayan ang lamig. Ay! Diyos ko. Hindi ako nakapag-dry ng buhok dahil ako nagmamadali, guys. Pero it feels so nice. Ay, camping pa more. Ayan, last fire pit. Or probably one more fire tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah. We still have 2.
Burn them both.
No, we can probably go camp, but that's just too much to bring. Later we go eat hamburger first and then go eat s'mores. And then there's also
Put the jacket back on over. Stephanie.
and guys on the batok. Good night, guys. I have to crack the sign off because it's super hot in our tent. Super hot. So Stephanie and I go sleep in the tent tonight because Daddy can't sleep in the hammock. Daddy can't sleep in the hammock. What can you say? How do you like camping? Huh?
I want to this marshmallow.
Oh, that's what you love a lot about camping? You love to do marshmallows? What else? Okay, good night, guys. This is our second night in camping site, Lake Easton, Washington. How do you like it? Do you like it over here?